Yeah, that's perfect for if you need to get a lift for your espresso machine. It also has the reservoir in the back, so you just pop that out and fill it up. Very slim design. You know, your burr grinder up here that has the coarseness that you can change pretty easily there. And then you have your temperature buttons, okay, which I'm assuming is what we need to press to get things going. And then you have your selection of cold brew, espresso, Americano, or just hot water. That's an amazing feature. And then you have your steam wand button here to activate that. So I'm gonna pull an espresso. First, let's go into the accessories. You have this cool kind of rubber mat here that is for your portafilter and tamp. You can set that right there for easy storage and not having to slide around. You also have this guide for tamping if you haven't done it before to kind of help you do that. Connects to the portafilter here. A brush, which is great because I'm sure we're gonna have to be cleaning out different things off the actual espresso machine. Oh, fantastic. They come with a nice descaler for you to use. We have the manual here. I've skimmed through this a little bit, but highly recommend going through that before firing yours up. A tool here to be able to swap some things out. And then another portafilter insert here for different sizing. So I'm gonna move this stuff out of the way here.